Hi there, it's John from Redaka here, and today I'm going to show you how to translate an infographic from English into Bengali. So this is the English image that we're going to start with, and this is what we're going to end up with. So we come to the Redaka app, and this uses Google Translate in the background to translate the app. So we just need to drag our image into place. So we select the image and then click open, and then it pulls it into the app. As you can see, it's put these black boxes around any text that it's found. It's found some text on the actual product and it's got a bit confused and it thinks this is a letter here. So we don't need to translate those bits. So I'm just going to deselect them. I'll click confirm to carry on. And as you can see, it's put the green boxes around it now. Here we choose which method of translation we want. So there's a choice between Google Translate or human translation. So Google Translate is fairly obvious. Human translation, we've teamed up with a translation agency that have hundreds of qualified, experienced native speaker translators on standby, ready to do the translation themselves and make sure that it's 100% accurate. It's picked up the from language as being English, so we just need to choose our target language here. So I'm going to just click Bengali. There we go. And click translate. Click confirm. And now you see the text has been removed. There's a little bit of a blemish left over. So I'm just going to go over that with the Inpaint tool just to tidy it up. So this is like a magic Inpaint tool which uses AI to match what it thinks the background should be. It's usually very accurate. I'll just click the cleanup button. There you go, you can see that's looking much neater now. So I'll click next, and then it's pulled in the new language into place. I'm just going to tidy these up, make them central aligned. Going to make these a little bit bigger. So let's go with 100, and then I'll make them bold as well. I'm not sure. I don't speak Bengali, so I'm not exactly sure if this is right, which is why it is important that sometimes you use a human translator to make sure that the work is done correctly. Anyway, that looks reasonable to me, so I'm going to export the image now, and that's how you translate an infographic file from English to Bengali.
Get started with 5 free credits. Visit redaka.co.